Good morning, y'all. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. I am Dee. If you are new, it is 9:30 on the dot, so I did get out the house right in time like I wanted to. It is Monday the 9th, and welcome to the vlog. Today, y'all know I don't like to do the long intros and all that. I just like to go ahead and get into my video. So this morning, if y'all watch my last vlog, and y'all know I've been ordering the party stuff from Mr's cousin. I'm doing him a gangster theme party, birthday party or whatever. And I ordered these like Tommy guns, and they were trash. So the first thing on the agenda this morning is to drop these off at UPS to send them back. And then we're gonna make our way on to the dealership so I can get my car serviced. Then we're gonna go do my nails. I'm just do something simple, maybe get some gold bangles on them. I can get out of there quick. And then I have a couple of houses, and I think one duplex that I do want to go look at. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much for the love and support that y'all been showing me on my channel. And again, I don't really be having nothing really just going on, but I love to vlog. I love to make content, and my content is gonna get better, y'all. I be at home mostly and work, and yeah, like I don't know if y'all think my content is boring or whatever, but I just want. And I don't know if y'all can really relate to me or whatever. I don't know. I just want to be me, and whoever likes it, and whoever don't, go. So yeah, I will pick y'all up when I'm doing whatever I'm finna be doing. All right, y'all, the first task is done. And the other guns should be here today. And those don't have that kind of end. They're actual balloons, so I should be fine with those. So now let's get to the car dealership. And y'all friend Mr. done called me. Say hey to the people, baby.
Hey, people.
He's so dry and phony, y'all. I'll be back. What, baby? What, baby? You sound like a little growling bear. Don't tell me the answer or nothing. All right, y'all, I'm finally done at the car dealership. So now we are on our way to the nail shop. Should be right down the road from the mall. My appointment was at 10:45. I got there a little earlier. I'm leaving at 12:51, so that wasn't too bad. But I didn't need nothing but my tires rotated and my oil changed, because y'all know this is a brand new car. I end up having to pay. It wasn't that much, but the warranty that I have with my truck is for Fort Lauderdale, where I bought it from. They told Mr. that we could take our car anywhere and they would honor it, but it's not like ding and dent policy. I have roadside assistance and all that and that. And that's good to know I have the ding and dent, because y'all know a couple of weeks ago, like right after I got my car, somebody hit me. And I have that little thing on my door, so that could get fixed for free. So that's the only thing good came out of that, finding that out. So yeah, I'll pick y'all back up once I make it to the nail shop. Baby, you still there?
Yeah.
Letting all the people know that I'm back to run the show. Cause what they did, you know, was wrong. And and all the nasty things you done. So baby, listen carefully while I sing my comeback song. You lied to me, and she said she'd never turn on me. You lied to me, but you did, but you did.
All right, y'all, I just left the hair store, and Mr. was like, why I ain't going Ross? Because y'all know in my last vlog, I had went in Ross. I'm not lying on you. I said, babe, I'm finna go to the hair store and go home. He said, oh, I thought you was going to Ross. So I was like, let me go to Ross. But my nails are done, y'all. Let me show y'all right quick. They are so cute. I just got some simple bangle nails. Y'all know I love my nudes. So I'm gonna go in Ross, see what I can find for the house. I'm looking for some kitchen mats specifically that we saw in the one across the bridge. And then Marshall's is right here, so I'm gonna pop in there. And yeah, y'all gonna come with me. So, let go.
Up and down, around and around. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Oh, 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 oh. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Yes, it is.
Come in, Mr. DJ. Come in, Mr. DJ.
All right, y'all, it's 5:55 and I am on my way home. I did find me a little things for the house, but I did not find in the I didn't see no kitchen mats, really. No. I should have looked at the welcome mats, but I didn't even look at those. That's not something that I just need to buy right now. But I found me something that I've been looking for, and it was on clearance. I'm gonna show y'all once I get home. And I finally found my salt and pepper things. Mr. had found me some salt and pepper things that I wanted on Wayfair. Them things was there $109, baby? Salt and pepper shakers. Or I think they was electric. It was $109. I was like, no. It was what I wanted, but I was like, no. So I found some for a decent price in Marshall's. Y'all, I am up in traffic. So I will pick y'all back up once I make it home. I made it home just in time, y'all. It is pouring down raining. I'm so glad I got my butt on to the house. All right, y'all, I have ate and chilled for a little while. So let me quickly show y'all what I got. So this is Amazon. And y'all already know, earlier this morning, I sent back the raggedy guns. So these are actual balloons. And they are revolvers. So I'm just going to use these. There are 4 of them. And I just have certain spots where I'm going to put these balloons. So on the backdrop, so that's fine. They're fine. So let me show you what I got today. All right, y'all. Next, what I found in Marshall's, I found me some gold chip bag clips. Let me cut Mr. down. Some gold chip bag clips from Marshall's. I got Mr. this Stanley cup. Y'all know I have my pink Barbie cup. And his Stanley cup was $19.99. So Mr. has him one now. These are the salt and pepper grinders I told y'all about. They're $29.99. Cheaper than $100. And then I got this toilet paper holder. I like this one. I have been seeing all the ones that are regular. This is my first time seeing one like this, and it was gold. So I got this. It'll go in one of the bathrooms. I found these little cute little socks. They were $4.99 for my friend to put in the bag that I'm making her for my friend that's having a baby that's at work. And then on the clearance racks for my nieces, these two dresses were $7.99 on clearance. This is the front one, and this is the back one. So I got this. And then also for my nieces, these dresses were on the clearance racks too for $8.99. This one comes with a little matching headband. So I got this dress and this dress. And y'all, I found a cast iron frying pan. It is so big and heavy, y'all. It was raining, so I just left it in the trunk. Y'all know when I get home, I have to rip that wig off my head, y'all. Y'all already know. So yeah, that was my find of the day. It was $59 and I got it on sale for $24, y'all. And it's big and nice and I love it. I gotta get it out the trunk. I'll probably go out there later when it stops raining or tomorrow. It's 8 o'clock now and I do have to go back to work tomorrow. Let me show y'all my nails up close. He did a great job. Just something quick and fast. I had to get 2 nails replaced. So yeah, just something a little cute. I'm not going nowhere but work. I did not go to any houses today because I got done with everything I was doing so late. So I have Saturday, Sunday, and Monday also. Y'all know y'all will be coming along with me. I'm about to go ahead and just finish watching. I'm watching Beauty and Beast's journey. They are visiting her mom. So make sure you go over and check out their channel. I love their channel. And I'm about to, I think Lala Red done posted. Make sure you go over there and check out her channel. I can't think right off of who all posted, but I'm about to watch my girl's video. I think Nadiria posted a video. Or did I already watch her video at the car dealership? I watched her video at the car dealership. Make sure y'all go over there and check her out. And I think Sharice posted a video. Make sure y'all go and check her out. I'll put all they channels. I'll be done put all their channels somewhere up on the screen. But I'm about to chill. And I will see y'all tomorrow. All right, y'all. I am fresh off of work. Today is Tuesday the 10th. And this is my skillets that I was telling y'all I got. Look how big it is, y'all. They had another one that was 2 sizes smaller, but I feel like I didn't need that. But yeah, I got it from Marshall's and it was on clearance for $24. And I love it so much, y'all. Let me know if y'all are familiar with this brand. But yeah, I've been wanting one of these bad babies. Some good breakfast and steaks gonna get cooked in here. Get Mr. to fry me some fried chicken. But I am about to chill, talk to Mr. and watch me some lives. I don't have anything going on today. I'm just resting, y'all. I was tired from work. And I just want to show y'all my skillet and I'll be back later. Hey y'all, it is Wednesday the 11th and I'm just getting off work. It is 4:18 and y'all, I ain't never show y'all when I went in the hair store. Y'all know when I want a quick look coiffed, I run to the hair store. This is called number 15. That's the name of the wig. It is a 1 and she is in handy, thick enough, and it's the yaki texture for me for work or to throw on. Y'all, I washed my braids, but I did not want to take my braids out from me having my wig done because I literally just had it done. So I washed and dried my braids, and yeah, got me a little throw-on wig to wear to work because that's literally all I'm gonna be doing. I may be going to the beach, but I think that's gonna be in another vlog. While I'm here, because y'all know I don't have anything going on but work, I stopped by. I should have vlogged, showed y'all in there. But my million puffs, or however many puffs I had on them hookah pins, I finally used them. So I got another one. That's how many puffs I got. And this one is watermelon ice. And then this one is passion fruit orange lime. And the girl had got excited when I got this one. So I said I was going to try this one first. Both of these are different flavors than the ones I got before. Y'all know I have a big old hookah. It's shaped like a machine gun or a Uzi. But I have to pull it out, put water in it, set it up, and I have to smoke it outside and all that and that. So this is like when I'm having my little drinks or when I want to puff me a hookah. This is so nice and convenient. Can I get it open? This is how it comes. At my store, I don't know about y'all smoke shop areas, you get 2 for $41 and some change. So it's buy one, get one free. Oh, it smells fruity and good. This is how it looks. And it has a speaker on the bottom to where if you want it to sound like a hookah when you pulling it, it can. Or if you want to turn the light off, you can. It lights up and everything. It's a whole lot of goings on. So let me see if I did it right. Because last time when me and Mr. bought it, we didn't know what we was doing. And I thought I was going to have to make him take it back. Oh, it is good and fruity, y'all. So bye, y'all. That's all I want to show y'all. And should I end this vlog? Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Because, yeah, I got 2 more days to work. And I probably ain't going to have nothing else going on unless I get a package. Bye, y'all.